In this short tutorial, I will show you how to contact Amazon customer service in a few simple steps. Amazon offers various ways to get in touch with their customer service team, including phone, email, and live chat support. It's important to know how to reach out to them if you have any issues or questions about your orders or account. To get started, open up the Amazon app, and then tap on the account button at the bottom. After that, tap where it says, Your Account. Now you'll see a section called Customer Service, and in that section you'll see an option called Contact Us. Tap on it. What you want to do next is find and tap into the issue you are facing. For example, I am going to tap the Login and Security option. Select the issue, and then tap where it says, I need more help. Now you can either start a live chat or request a phone call with the customer support team. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.